So, this is for class 9th mathematics chapter 12 Heron's formula introduction part. I will be solving exercise also. If you're for more exercise problems and all, you all can subscribe and keep the channel, okay? Like, share and subscribe with your friends. So let me start with the introduction part first. Heron's formula you all can take down. Then write down some information about it. For example, first point, area of triangle when its base and height are known is calculated by using the formula area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. If B denotes the base and P perpendicular of the right triangle, then area of triangle will be is equal to half of BP. Next rule will be for an isosceles right angle triangle, each of whose equal side is A with we have area is equal to A square upon 2. Next, for an equilateral triangle, each of whose side is A, we have area is equal to root 3 upon 4 into A square. Next will be area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Next, formula for if A, B, C denotes the length of the side of the triangle, then the Heron's formula is area is equal to root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. Area of a quadrilateral can be calculated by dividing the quadrilateral into triangles and using Heron's formula for calculating area of each triangle. So basically you all can see this Heron's formula, you all can write it down over here. Okay. Next you all can take down semi-parameter formula, that is A plus B plus C upon 2 is equal to S. Okay, you all can see this triangle here A, B, C, here this part is your A, this part is your B, C. That time you all will be using this. Now area of triangle is equal to what formula? Root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, now take down this Heron's formula. Parameter of the area of triangle. Now they are divided into three parts. One is right angle triangle, isosceles right triangle and equilateral triangle. So in right angle, what will be this thing? A, B, C, here B square is equal to A square plus C square. This is a Pythagoras theorem part. Okay. Here, either two sides will be equal for isosceles triangle. Okay. So, B square is equal to twice the A square. Next will be the equilateral triangle. Parameter will be 3A and height will be root 3 upon 2A. So if you take area is equal to half into A multiplied by H, half into A, right, it is what is your height? Root 3 upon 2A, right? So if you multiply, you will get root 3 upon 2 2 is 4, A into A, it will be A square. Okay, over here. Now let us see the parameter of the other thing. Parameter of the right angle triangle. It will be half into B, half into A into C means half into base multiplied by height. Parameter of the equilateral isosceles right triangle, it is 2A plus B. Area will be half of A square, and here I have already told you all about. Okay. Next, moving further. Okay, you all can take down this. Okay, this is very important parts. Okay. Next question is an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle with side 10 centimeter. So here your A is equal to 10, your B is also equal to 10 and your C is also equal to 10. So first thing you all are going to find a semi parameter using which formula? You all are going to use this formula. S is equal to A plus B plus C is equal to 2 because we need to find the value of S, right? So write down S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So So basically what is your A? 10 plus 10 plus 10 upon 2. So what you are going to get is 30 upon 2, right? 30 upon 2. So 2 ones are 2 ones are 2, then carry 5, 2 fives are, so 2 15s are 30. So write down S is equal to 15. Now you all can use that formula and solve. Area of, let me write it here only. Area of triangle, okay, is equal to, so area of triangle is equal to S minus A. Write down the formula S minus B and S minus C. Okay, you all can write down the formula first for finding area of triangle. Next, let us see. So what we got is 15, right? S is 15. So write down 15 into 15 minus 10. Your A is 10, right? Then 15 minus 10 and again 15 minus 10, right? So next step will be what? Write down this is equal to square root of 15 into 15 minus 10 will give you 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, right? So how many 5 is common? Now this you all can make it as 3 5s are 15. Then write down 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So basically here 2 5 will come out. 5 multiplied by 5 will come out into root 3. So your answer will be 25 root 3 25 root 3 centimeter square. Okay, so I hope you all have understood how to solve this part. Next example, let us see next example. So our next example is what? An isosceles triangle. Let us read this. An isosceles triangle with unequal side has 8 centimeter and each equal side has 5 centimeter. How we are going to do this? So here our value of A is what? Here the value of A is 8 is equal to 8 and the value of B is 5. The value of C is also equal to 5. So how you all are going to do this? You all have to find S is equal to this formula A plus B plus C upon 2. So this is what? 8 plus 5 upon 2. So basically S is equal to, add this 18 upon 2, you will get 2 ones are 2 nines are, therefore the value of S is equal to 9, right? Next what you all are going to do is the area of triangle formula, that will be triangle that will be equal to S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Okay, so basically this is equal to what? Now what is your S? What you got your S to be 9. So 9, and what is your A over here? Your A is 8, B and C are 5. So write down S minus 8, sorry 9 minus 8 it will be, right? Because we are substituting the values. So 9 minus 8, 9 minus 5 and 9 minus 5. So basically what we are going to get here, root of 9 in multiplied by 1 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. Okay, so you will get, yeah, so basically this I will be 3 multiplied by 3, 9 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. So obviously this 4 and this 3 I will take it out. So you will get 3 multiplied by 4. So basically your answer is going to be 12 centimeter square. 12 centimeter square is your answer. So I hope you all have understood this example also. Now moving towards the next example. Let us see the next example. So we will see to the example 3. Find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter and the parameter is 32 is given, right? So let us see to this. Here you all can see the diagram also. So basically here what is given to you all is So here the parameter is of the triangle is equal to 32 centimeter. So the value of A is given to be what? The value of A is what? The value of A is 8 and the value of B is 11. C is not given, right? 8, value of B is 11 and C is something which is not given. So what you are going to do is A plus B plus C is equal to the parameter. Parameter is what? 32. So basically you have to find the value of C. So A is 8, B is what? 11 plus C is equal to 32. So what you'll have to do over here is add this to 11 plus 8 will be 19, right? So write down 19 plus C is equal to 32. So C is equal to 32 minus 19 will give you C is equal to, the value of C will be equal to 30 centimeter. Okay. Now since you all got the value of C, you all can find out S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So basically what is your A plus B plus C? Your A was nothing but 8, B was 11. 8 plus 11 plus 13 upon 2. So you will get 18, 19, 24 plus 8. So your answer is 32 upon 2. So you will get 2 ones are 2, ones are 2, carry 1, 2, 6 are 12. So your S is equal to 16, right? Next, let us find the area of triangle. So area of triangle is equal to S into S minus A, root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay. So let us see what is the value of S. 16. So we got 16. So here it will be 16 minus 8. 16 minus your, what is your B? B is 11 and 16 minus your C was 13, right? So let us see what answer we are going to get. So basically this is root of 16 into 16 minus 8 will give you 8 multiplied by, okay, let us multiply all this. Put this multiply sign, okay, this is multiply sign, multiplied by 8 multiplied by 5, 16 minus 11 will be 5, multiplied by 16 minus 13 will be 3. So let us see what answer we are going to get. So this will be 2 8s are 16 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3. So your 8 will come out. Okay, what you are left with? 2 3 5s are 15, 2 5s are 10, 30. So your 30 will be there. Okay, so 8 into root 30 centimeter square is your answer. Next, moving towards the next example, let us see the next example. So next example is a triangular park ABC has sides 120 meter, 80 meter and 50 meter. See the figure 12.7. Here is the figure 12.7. A gardener Danya has two fences all around it and also plant grass inside. How much area does she need to plant? Find the cost of fencing it with the barbed wire at the rate of 20 per meter, leaving a space 3 meter for a gate on one side. So how you are going to solve this? First write down. First what you all want is A, B, C are given, right? 50 plus. Okay, so here can you all take your A has 50, B has So take B has 8 meter and your C has 120. Okay, here it is given. Okay, your A I'm taking 50, this A I'm taking as 50, B I'm taking as 80 and 120. Okay, from here. So let me rub this part. So let me solve this. So take S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So basically S is equal to, this is 80, this is 80. So add all this, 50 plus 80 plus 120 upon 2, right? So your S is equal to what? So your S is equal to, add this, you will get 250 upon 2. So your S is equal to 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10. So your answer is 125. So you got S to be 125 meter. Now I will be taking area of triangle of that park, area of the park. Area of the park is equal to, take this, S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Okay, so let me write it over here. So you will get what? Your S is 125, right? 125 minus, you will get, right, what? 125 minus 120, then 125 minus 80 and 125 minus 50. Okay, wait, what I have taken my A to be? $125, then it is 125 minus, what is your A? Your A is 50, 80, 120. So 50, 125 minus 80, 125 minus 120. So basically what you all are going to get is, write down 125 multiplied by 125 minus 50 will be 75, multiplied by 125 minus 80 will be 45, multiplied by 125 multiplied by 20 will be 5. Okay, so what you are going to get is, so here what is going to remain? 375 into root 15 meter square. So basically also continue here only, also parameter of the park is equal to AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 250, right? So length of the wire needed for fencing, write down, length of the wire needed for fencing is equal to 250 meter minus 3 meter. Okay, this is to be left. So what is 247 meter? Also the cost, also okay, wait, don't write down this. Okay, right, therefore the cost of fencing is equal to rupees 20 multiplied by 247. So your answer will be rupees 4940. So So here what we got was the cost of fencing is what? 4940, right? So the cost of fencing was 4940. You have to multiply this 20 multiplied by 247. Okay, you will get this answer. So basically we are done with this example. Moving towards the next example. So next example is right over here. You all can take down. The side of a triangular plot are in the ratio of 3:5:7 and the parameter is 300 meter. Find its area. Okay, so first what all are going to see is says let the sides in meters be 3x, 5x and 7x. Okay, so now what you all are going to do is write down, add this 3x is equal, 3x plus, you all are adding, right? 5x plus 7x is equal to 300. Now what is this 300? Parameter of a triangle. Parameter of triangle. Okay, now you'll have to add all this. Okay, 3x plus 5x plus 7x will give you what? 15x, right? Write down 15x is equal to 300. So you will get x is equal to 300 upon 15. So 15 ones are 15 twos are. So x is equal to 20. So the value of x is 20. Now what you'll have to find is 3x is equal to 3 multiplied by 20 is equal to, next you'll have to find 5x is equal to 15x, it is 5x. It is 5x and then 7x you'll have to find. Same way you'll have to find this values. So 5 multiplied by 20 and next will be 7 multiplied by 20 is equal to. Now let us see what is 3 multiplied by 20. 3 multiplied by 20 will be what? 60, right? Next it will be 100 and next it will be 140. So once we are done with this, you all are going to find this formula. S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So your A will be 60, your B will be 100 and your C will be 140 upon 2. So add all this, you will get 200 upon 2, right? So we'll get, 200, 300 upon 2. So your answer will be 300 upon 2. Your value of S is equal to. So what you are going to get is 2 ones are 2. So your answer will be 150. So therefore what we got S to be 150. Now can we find easily 150 meter? So area, we have to find the area of the triangle. Area of triangle formula is what? S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Okay, this is a formula, right? You'll have to study this formula, okay? Next what we are going to do is write down is equal to, okay? Is equal to, value of S is 150. So plug that 150, then 150 minus 60. Your A will be 60, right? Your B will be 150 minus 100 and next will be 150 minus 140. Next, root of 150 multiplied by 150 minus 60 will give you 90 multiplied by 150 minus 100 will give you 50. 150 minus 140 will give you 10. So what you are left with? 1500 root 3 meters square. So I hope you all have understood. So I'll wind up my class here only. In the next class I will be giving you all exercise 12.1 question number 1, and thanks for watching.